In the deserts of the Middle East, Israel is unveiling a weapon that does not fire bullets or missiles, but concentrated beams of light. This is the Iron Beam, the world's first high-energy laser air defense system, designed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. At its heart lies a 100-kilowatt class fiber laser. When focused on target, it burns through drones, rockets, and mortar shells within seconds. Its effective range extends up to 10 kilometers, and it strikes at the speed of light. Unlike interceptor missiles that cost tens of thousands of dollars per launch, each Iron Beam shot requires only a few dollars worth of electricity. In battle, that difference is revolutionary. The system operates on a principle of precision. A single laser channel locks onto one target at a time. A battery carries two beams, meaning two threats can be destroyed simultaneously. To cover a wider area, multiple batteries are deployed and linked to Israel's existing radar and command network. Iron Beam is not a standalone experiment. It is fully integrated into the country's layered shield alongside Iron Dome, David's Sling, and the Arrow missile defense system. The advantages are obvious: instant engagement, unlimited ammunition as long as power flows, and minimal cost per interception. But there are limits too. Weather, fog, rain, dust storms can scatter and weaken the beam. To counter this, Israel and its partners are already developing naval variants, mobile versions, and higher power upgrades, pushing toward 300 kilowatts class lasers that could threaten larger aerial platforms in the future. And here lies the concern. Across much of the Muslim world, investment in directed energy research is almost non-existent. While Israel is fielding operational laser weapons, many Muslim-majority nations remain dependent on imported missile defenses. As the threat spectrum shifts, from low-altitude drones and loitering munitions to high-flying bombers and precision missiles, this technology gap risks leaving critical vulnerabilities. Even more troubling, traditional aircraft countermeasure systems, flares, jammers, decoys, are designed for heat-seeking or radar-guided missiles. They cannot easily deceive or block a beam of light that travels instantly and burns directly through a target's skin. Without indigenous research, fleets of fighters, bombers, and even drones could be exposed in future conflicts. Iron Beam is more than a new weapon. It is a signal of how warfare is changing. For Israel, it reduces cost and strengthens deterrence. For the wider region, especially Muslim nations, it is a stark reminder that security in the 21st century cannot depend only on purchasing yesterday's technology. The race for tomorrow's defense begins with building science today. Love science? Obsessed with space, AI, and future tech? Then what are you waiting for? Follow Science Digest Pakistan and join the smartest squad on the internet. Also like, share, and comment your thoughts.